In today's video I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 18.1.1 running iPhone. Let's get started. Search jailbreak 18.1.1 pengu8.com. Then select the first search result on the page. Scroll down the page to find Palera1n jailbreak tool. Install it on your iPhone. Follow these steps. Once you installed the Palera1n, you will get two apps, Palera1n IPSU and Terminal. Go to Palera1n IPSU and copy the code according to your iPhone model. After that, go back to home screen and open Terminal. Paste the code you copied. Wait some seconds, then download. And install the tool. That's it. Now you can customize the iPhone with unlimited jailbreak features. Sileo 2 will be your package manager that gives you different types of repos to try on. Make sure you have a strong internet connection during this process. Jailbreak tweaks, themes, wallpapers and more options are available on Sileo 2. So experience jailbreaking your iPhone. Please like and subscribe the channel. Let's meet again. Goodbye.